What's up, DOTW family? We're back again at it, making some more cocktails this week. We're going to be at MIPUEBLO El Centro in Petaluma. We're here with Marco. He's the face, the man, the legend who runs this joint down here. Marco, what do you have to say about your location here?
You know, it's a very good spot. We got great food, great drinks. Our staff is honestly probably one of the greatest staff I've ever worked with in my life. Everyone's friendly, everyone's family oriented. There's people coming with their kids and stuff and walk around with the workers and just have a good time. People come to have some family time or come to a party. We go outside, get some drinks. Sometimes we just take a break and go taking shots and drinking beer together.
So, one of the times where I came here, I remember you guys have this great big burrito. What's the name of that burrito?
The Father Macho is probably like this size. It's a big one. You know, there's people who come in trying to eat by themselves and like, it's like, oh, if I eat by myself, can I have a free? Hey, give it a shot. And then they never finish it. Like, it came close, probably like that close. But, like, it's hard.
That's like 5 or 10 pounds, right?
Yeah, it's massive.
Yeah,
It's
huge.
Yeah.
I know when I had it, I split it between 3 other guys.
Yeah, you have to.
And I mean, I'm a big boy, so. All right, right on. So what's your #1 seller down here at MIPUEBLO El Centro?
So I'd say like the fajitas and we have I think it's called molcajete. It's a chicken, steak, and shrimp with salsa, and then it's a molcajete bowl. Comes out sizzling hot. It's delicious, good spicy flavor.
Awesome.
Yeah.
That's fantastic, man. I definitely after today's show, I'll be getting something to eat, man, for sure. I think that's it with Marco. We're gonna bring in Angel and get into the drink mix. He's got a couple of cocktails he's gonna do for us today, so we're gonna flash in and flash back out.
Let's do it.
Talk to you guys in a minute. Hey, what's up, Angel? Thanks for having us today, man. Great thing. Welcome to our show, DOTW, and today you're going to be making 2 cocktails.
Yes, we're going to be making 2 cocktails. One is going to be mezcal, one is going to be tequila.
Okay.
They're both very good sellers in the Pueblo. One of them is a little spicy. The other one is very, very fruity, but it's very delicious and fresh too.
I love spice, man. So let's see what you got, and if you don't mind, can you explain to them the measurements as you're going along?
Yes.
Awesome.
So we're going to start off with the Grand Margarita. So normally we making this Grand Margarita. It's very popular here in MIPUEBLO Centro. So for this margarita, we use Don Julio Blanco as a spirit. We use 2 ounces. We make it pretty good. Actually use our main sweet and sour mix. I mean, it's pretty delicious. It's a pretty good combo. And what we do next is we add orange juice just to give it a little flavor, a little texture. This is the garnish that we use, lime and orange.
That looks amazing.
The most important stuff is Grand Marnier. So Grand Marnier makes the flavor of this margarita. So we top it up with Grand Marnier. And yeah, there you go, man. Ready to drink. Cheers.
Man, that's a fantastic looking cocktail, man. I think this is going to be delicious. Let me go ahead and try this out.
Of course. You can drink 3 of those.
That is dangerous. That
yes.
thing is super good. I could down this cocktail all day, every day, not even realize it till I was already inebriated.
Yes.
It looks beautiful. It's amazing. And I definitely suggest you guys come down and try this. He's going to make one more cocktail for us today.
The next one is going to be mezcalita. It's made by mezcal. So we use La Luna mezcal for us. And then La Luna is from Sonoma Country too. So this is going to be a great cocktail. A little spicy, pineapple. So we use 2 ounces of mezcal. We use pineapple, 1 ounce. Use 2 ounces of lime. And then 1 ounce of agave. Our main ingredient is jalapeno. We add the little spices kick. cut it off right there, okay? So, for this cocktail, we use Tajin rim, so it matches really good with this cocktail. All right, man. Cheers. From MIPUEBLO El Centro.
Another amazing looking cocktail.
All right, let's see this mezcalita.
What do you think, man?
Man.
What are you thinking?
You kill it every time. You're a great bartender, man.
Thank you.
I definitely look forward to having this with my lunch today. And man, everybody out there, you got to come down to MIPUEBLO El Centro. Check them out. Have their cocktails. Eat some food. Enjoy some time with your friends, your family. DOTW family, man. This is where it's at. Thank you so much.
Thank you for coming by, man. Thank you.
You're awesome.
Cheers, my man. Cheers.
And don't forget, tell Marco or Angel DOTW sent you, and we'll see you next time. This order's up.
Hey, like, share, and subscribe.
Make sure you hit that bell button, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.
Dinosaurs, dinosaurs, dinosaurs. Everybody loves those dinosaurs.